Hey Sherry 4x4, Mike and Brian here back with you to show off this all new, and we're super excited to carry it. This is a brand new truck converter, Tuscany Motor Company, that's done this brand new 2021 Ram 1500, and it has the Tuscany Badlander package on it. It's a suspension package, but it's really an entire truck conversion, and I'm super excited to show this to you today. This is actually our second truck, and Brian and I always film every vehicle we get. But the first one that came in literally sold the day after it came in before we even got a chance to film it. So we definitely wanted to get an opportunity to show this to you. It's in the Hydra Blue, which is an awesome color, a color you don't see a lot of out there. And what Tuscany has done with some color painting to match parts really makes this truck stand out. So in the front up here, we've got some unique differences that make this truck different than all other Rams out there. It's got the sport hood, which is the vented hood, allows heat to come out. Also up here, it says Badlander on the hood badging where it would typically say Ram 1500, so a little bit different there. And then as we come up front here, this looks pretty stock, but actually there's been a lot of re-engineering, particularly with this lower bumper down here, to not only make it look stock, but also to add in this 20-inch LED light bar. Still has your integrated front parking sensors, and then you got Badlander badging up front here. The other thing I noticed, you have a new grille insert here, right? But also the Ram is painted to match in the Hydra Blue. Now we typically, actually I've never seen that in any other Ram. Usually this is either chromed out or blacked out. So to have it in that Hydra Blue just makes it stand out that much more. Now it does have the aggressive tow hooks painted to match red. And then as we come along to the side here, there's a lot going on right here. So this has got the 6-inch suspension lift. If Brian wants to stand back a little bit or get a shot of just the stance of this truck, it is amazing. So 6-inch suspension lift and 37-inch BF Goodrich. These are all-terrain tires. They are the KM3, which is the mud terrain tires, on that, which is the tire that all off-roaders are looking for. It's a tire that's really engineered and designed for off-road purposes, but even driving it across town, I think Brian would agree, it's really quiet just driving on the main road. So with those bigger tires, bigger wheels, 22-inch wheels as well, you're gonna need some fender flares. So they have painted to match fender flares here. I like how it's the seamless fender flare. I've talked about that on other conversions. I particularly don't really prefer the ones that have a bunch of bolt ends. I just think it looks like something that I would do in my garage, and this looks more factory, definitely a higher end appeal there. So down here to the wheels, these are special Badlander wheels. 22-inch, blacked out, really look cool. Then as we get into some of the suspension parts up here, these have the Fox coilover shocks on them, BDS upper control arms up here, and everything is just really designed for this truck to allow this truck to ride really good. You can see the excess reservoir up here. That allows for more fluid to go in and out of that shock to keep the fluid cool, keep the shock lasting longer, and for also greater performance there. Now there is an adjustment up here where you can adjust the dampening on that shock depending on what kind of conditions you are riding in, if that's your thing. As we come down to the side here, we got Badlander blacked out badging here, and then check this out. So this is actually a rock guard, and I have never seen this before. There's power steps, and I'll show you that in a second, but this is a rock guard that actually protects the side of this truck here and a little bit of that power step. So if you are off-roading, you don't have to be super concerned about that. And of course, as I open up the door, power step comes down. It's a nice big wide step. You can easily get your foot on it. It's light out right now, but there is actually lights here and lights here to light your way and getting up into the truck. So as we come on down to the rear, we got Fox shock system back here in the back as well. Same type fender flare. And then when we get to the back here, I'm just gonna take my microphone and let you listen to this. It's got dual exhaust. These are MagnaFlow exhaust under there. Brian actually climbed under it, and I think he got a little excited. It's a really nice exhaust system, stainless steel, nicely done, and just idling it sounds good. 2-inch towing receiver. You got your factory wiring, 7-pin and 4-pin. Still has your Ram badging, backup camera, dampening tailgate, and all the versatility of having a pickup truck. So we're gonna now jump inside because the things that's been done to this truck don't end just on the outside. We're gonna show you some of the cool stuff inside, also talk about some warranty and some aftermarket values on these Ram Badlanders. So stay tuned. All right, come on, take a peek inside. It's really cool. I'm gonna make a point to point out what makes this truck different compared to every other brand new 2021 Ram Laramie out there. Before we get there, so warranty, we get a lot of questions about warranty. You know, if you were to lift your brand new Ram truck yourself, chances are you're gonna avoid a lot of the warranty. Well, by having a company like Tuscany Motor Company do it for you, they actually complement the factory warranty. So Tuscany puts a warranty on everything they do for 3 year, 36,000 miles, and it's Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard compliant. So what that means is it does not void any of the Ram warranty. It actually just complements it. Also, the other question we get a lot is financing. Brian will just put a quick link down in the description below of how to see if you want to qualify for financing and what kind of information is needed for that. He'll just post that link down below, so check that out. But you can finance this entire package. You don't have to buy the truck and then figure out how to finance all the lift stuff later on a credit card or anything like that. So one payment makes it simple. And then resale value. So we see lifted trucks come in all the time. We're one of the top lifted vehicle dealer out there. So we get everyone's lifted projects come in on trade. And I tell you what, resale value on a vehicle that's lifted by a professional company such as Tuscany is so much greater than one that you did in your garage. So it just is, it's got a value, it's got an NADA value, and it's going to book out a lot better than your truck that you've maybe spent $10,000 on, but there's just nothing there resale. All right, back to the inside. Couple cool things that Badlander's done. One, it is a Laramie, so you get the leather trim seats from the factory. But up here, we got some custom Badlander badging on the top glove box here. And then coming over here on both sides of the door, you got custom badging inlaid in the leather insert there, which is really cool. Up front here on the cluster here, all new cluster. It's a brushed stainless. It's got Badlander written on it, so it's going to look different than every other Ram out there. I always like to mention, if you've never drove one of these new Rams, you got to drive it. So got the crew cab back here, the largest cab in the industry, super comfortable, very versatile. You got your 8.4-inch touchscreen radio with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all the modern features, heated seats. This one's got vented seats as well as a heated steering wheel. So just a lot to see, a lot of nice options, and we definitely welcome you to come out, take a peek at one of these if you want to drive it. We'd love to have you do it. So if you need any further information, feel free to contact one of our professionals. They'll be happy to help you. And as always, thanks for hanging out with us for a little bit of your day.